Welcome back, and thanks for tuning in again. My name's Eric Remmel, owner and founder of Life Improvement Media Group. You can find out more about who we are and what we do at our website, lifeimprovementmedia.com. So today in our WordPress series, we're going to continue on with some basic steps. And today is how to create a post for your blog. So very simple. Once you've logged into your WordPress dashboard, you'll see an option over here on the left that says Posts. Click on that. Now you have the option to sort these. You can do all posts, add new, categories, or tags. Now the first thing you want to look at is if you're creating your very first blog, you might want to make sure that you have some categories established. Now categories can be very generic. Typically what you'll see by default is uncategorized. You also have some additional ones you can add. We did these as two samples, general information or testing categories. If you'd like to create a new one, we'll make another sample one here. We can say, how about we're going to talk about gardening. Now a Slug, as you can see right here, is the URL-friendly version of this. In most cases, unless it's multiple words, it's the same as what you have. If you're going to create a parent, it just means that simply you're going to have a parent or you have a subcategory of an existing one. So if we wanted to make gardening a subcategory of general information, we select general information as our parent, add new category, and you'll see it's created here on the right. It designates that it's a parent by seeing a hyphen in front of it over here under its main tab. So now that we've created the category, let's go over here back to posts. We're going to add a new one. Once we click on Add New, there's some basic information we'll need to know. First off, the name of what we're gonna call this post. Since it's gardening related, we're gonna call it Gardening 101. Now, when we go in here, this theme is a theme related option here, but you will see some different buttons that'll come up on the top, possibly based on your theme or what your setup is. And these are pretty much the same in WordPress unless you have any custom plugins installed. So you can add media, which simply means you can add a graphic to input into this. You can change any of the text here by left justifying, right justifying, bulletizing, adding bolds or italics, and so on. If you've already written your blog and you want to copy and paste it from somewhere, we always recommend using the text version. Visual will typically copy over any customized settings you've already established in whatever Word documentation you're using. So if you made it in Microsoft Word and you used bold and italicized and you used different variations on spacing, it will copy and paste those in and create issues for the formatting of your blog. Always recommend using the text option, pasting in here. That removes all of your justifications and your settings, and then going back in manually and adjusting those. Once you put in some text, you do have some additional options down lower where you can allow comments, allow trackbacks. We typically allow comments, but we allow them to be approved, so you want to make sure that someone's not posting something on there that's not appropriate or spam related. You do have the option to change the format. You do have the option to add your categories here, so we selected gardening. Now tags are another way that you can help to categorize your actual blog. So you could take in specific gardening related tags. We could say, let's put gardening back on here, separate it with a comma. We're going to talk about tomatoes. Maybe we're going to talk about veggies. And maybe we're going to talk something about growing. These are just tags to help sort, but also help with some SEO along the way. Featured images would be any image that's going to be featured in your blog feed, separate from any images that you insert into the blog. From there, you would click Publish, and bam, your blog is published. Now, hypothetically, let's say I didn't want to publish this today. I need to go back and edit that. That's fine. You can make a change. You go over here. You change your publish status to draft, and we're going to actually schedule this to go out into a future date. So let's say we meant to do this tomorrow's date, the 23rd. We'll hit OK. We'll hit schedule, and guess what? That's going to take it out of a public view and put it back into a scheduled draft to be posted tomorrow at July 23rd at 17:57 p.m. Thanks for tuning in, and again, if you want information on our business, you can visit lifeimprovementmedia.com.